instead of typing in these details in a payslip, you can actually automate them by looping informations into the payslip. So this has actually been generated. So we use the employee ID as a loop for other informations here. So what we are going to do to get the employee ID here, instead of typing each employee ID, we'll come to data menu, then we click on data validation, click on list source. Our source is in the payroll, which is the employer ID. Click on enter, then OK. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you find the employer ID. So we're going to click on this and use this as our reference. So for employee name, click on the equals to XLOOKUP. So you can actually use as a guide for your parameters, the XLOOKUP parameter. So the lookup value, this is what we are looking at. That's the value. Lookup array. The lookup array is the employee ID here, because this is where it's going to search through. It's going to look through this place if it's going to find the employee ID. Then the return array, that's the value you want it to appear. So we want the name to appear. So you click on this column. So you can see we have got in. Imagine if you change this to 2, you find that it has changed to F Young Victor. So we'll continue using 1. So the destination, you also use same. Let's look up. This is our so general manager. So the year can just February 25. So this February 2025. So yeah, for the BHT is a combination of basic housing and transport allowance. So what we are going to do here, we are going to sum and also look up for we to get the sum total of BHT here. So I'm going to do sum XLOOKUP. So this is our lookup array here. So we are light basic housing and transport. So this is the sum of basic housing and transport. So for here, you do same equals to XLOOKUP for our utility. So this is our lookup value. Then utility. So that's how you are going to also do for the rest. Okay, so we've gotten our values for our earnings and deduction. So for we to get our gross earning, you sum it, sum the BHT utility. So you highlight this here. Then our total deduction, you also sum. So when we come to our total earnings here, or click on gross earnings plus our overtime. So this is it, Yeah, so our net earnings is total earnings minus total deduction. So yeah, equals to this minus our total deduction. So this is what we have here. So the net earnings for this individual is 105737. So if we change this we change the employee ID to 2, we have F young Victor. You can see there's a change, and the net earnings is 266567. So anytime you change the employee ID, the employee name and every other thing will also change and give you the information for that particular employee. So to carry out this amount in words, we have to put in a code. So now let's go to developer, click on Visual Basic, click on Insert Module, and this way we are going to put in the code. So we copy this code, place it here, then you close. So what you are going to do is equals to spell number, that is the code that we just did, net earnings. So we can see this is our amount in words. Can increase this so that we'll be able to see it very well. Good. So 210,476 naira and 27 kobo. So next we can actually print this out or save it as a PDF format. So also, if you actually want to bring in, we'll click on the insert, illustration, picture, this device, picture, signature here, pick this in and insert. So we adjust this. And place it here. So if you want to print this in a PDF or save it in a this we can actually remove these Greek lines here. View. Yeah. So this is what we have. So you highlight this portion here of the payslip down here, then you go to page layout, print area, set print area, click on automatic, then one page, then you go to your file, save as, browse, PDF, slip. Okay, to be in my download, save. So this is it. So this is how to create an automated payslip. Thank you.